Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a winter flip through of my personal wide rings. I did not do a Christmas setup just because I did one in my B6 and they're very similar. I just brought in rose gold to this planner versus bringing in gold to my B6. So I thought I would show you a winter setup also because I'm obsessed with it. This is my favorite setup I've ever done to date. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So this is my planner. It is the Foxy Fix Personal Wide Rings Sugar Coconut. And I have light pink stitching. And I have the word always embossed in rose gold. And then I have the powder pink elastic. And this little dangle clip is from Canco XOXO. And then at the bottom I have a couple bookmarks. This gray one is from Knots at the Helm, and it just has, it's the gray with the gray leather with the rose gold spacer and the little bow. And then this one is from Studio Signe, and Nikki from Nikki Plants gifted this to me. It's so beautiful. It has my initials, AG, and I'm obsessed with it. And it's originally meant for the A string, but I made it to be, I like resized it, I guess, and I'll show you how I did that later on, just to fit in here, because if you don't, it will be a lot longer. So let's get into it. I'll get into my clips when those come. I'm obsessed with this setup. It's a little chunky, as you can tell, but I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I don't care if it's chunky. When you open it, you see my pocket. And I do have the Criss-Cross Pockets with the card pocket here. So in this first card pocket, I have this journaling card that has hole punches in it because I use this in my Christmas setup. This is a journaling card from Two Little Bees, and I love it. And I think it's so cute, and I love the colors. These are kind of the colors that are throughout the setup. And then I have a sticker pocket from Ribbon and Nib. I just hauled this. This is the smaller size, and in here I just have stickers that match like my kit that went with the week. And then I just have a couple rose gold because I always use rose gold, and this is a rose gold setup. And then here I have a washi card with some washi tapes on it. This is Pink Room Co. Scotch. This is just like rose gold. These are both Scotch, and I just like cut it down, and this is like Simply Gilded, Pink Room Co, Simply Gilded. So I just have that tucked right there. And then this bookmark is from Hello Petite Paper. This is from the Winter TN kit, and you will see a lot of papers and die cuts from the Winter TN kit in this setup because I love the colors, and it matches really well with this journaling card. And then I just have this little bow paper clip from Rose Colored Days, which I think is so beautiful. And then also in the back, these are where I keep my sticker kits. So I used a Sadie's stickers monthly kit, so I put that on this side, and then my weekly kit on this side. This is from Station Stickers. So you can put things in there. I just put my stickers so they're just all in one place. And then over here, my first dashboard is from Holly Nichols, and I just got this in the 5x7 and trimmed it down a little bit to fit the personal wide rings, which is 4.75 by 6.75, and I laminated it. And then up here I have a little, I'll zoom in, I have a little bow from Calligraphy by Lindsay. This is a bow that Ribbon and Nib drew, Nikki. She drew this with Calligraphy by Lindsay. They did a collab, and I just added that because I thought it looked super cute. Let me zoom down just a smidge. So there is my front dashboard. I think it's so cute. So I have a little pattern. So I have a dashboard, which I will show, which is this. So my dashboard, my front and back dashboard. This paper is from the Hello Petite Paper TN kit, and I usually laminate it, but sometimes I might want to use it again. So Kiki from the Paper Princess Plans I used her like idea, and I just used some washi tape so I can use this again if I wanted to. Even though this is laminated, I wanted to keep this sturdy. And then this vinyl that has my name on it, this is from Calligraphy by Lindsay. She does custom names. and she did this for me. My name Amanda, and it has the little rose gold heart. And then this vellum is from Hobby Lobby. It's just the clear with the white polka dots. And I layered that on a vellum from Addie.plants on Instagram. She sells like digital dashboards and vellums, so I have that. And then this is my first divider. I made this, I just used a piece of paper, and then these are from Rose Colored Days. These are part of the vellums that she has. I had some extra, so I just cut them and I made them dividers. And then all my inserts are from Justenia Printables, and this cover is the monthly cover from Justenia Printables. She sells a bundle of it, and Jessica from Letters to Apollo was so kind enough to foil this for me and send it as a Christmas present, so I'm so thankful for that because I've always wanted like my foiled covers. I think they're so cute. Oh, that pops up. So I just have that, and I know I have to reprint this, but it's totally okay. This is my monthly, and this is from Sadie's Stickers, and these are Justenia Printables month on 2 pages. And this is a bookmark from Calligraphy by Lindsay. I just put it on some laminate and laminated it and then cut it out by hand. So you can do things without a silhouette. It does take a little bit, but that's okay. So I just have that to mark my month, but this is like what a regular month looks like. And then I have the back cover, and then I have the same vellum from Addie.plants. And then my next dashboard. So this is like one section. So I have my front and back, my first dashboard, which has 2 papers, a vellum, a divider, my insert, and then a vellum. So then it will continue throughout. So now I have another dashboard, and again, this is from Hello Petite Paper. I think the papers are stunning, and they just were perfect for this setup. So this is from that, and then this is the back of it. They were double-sided, and they're really nice quality. And then this die cut is from Hello Petite Paper as well. This is the vellum that I was talking about that is from Rose Colored Days. This is the pink one with the rose gold foiling, and this is the same vellum that I used for this, because how I cut it, it comes I think 8.5 by 11, so I just trim it to be 11 by 6.75, so then I have a really long strip, and that's how I cut those up. And then you have my divider, and then my pre-plan insert, which is from Justenia Printables as well. I love these. So I'm filming this on December 30th, so this is just the week. And then this paper clip right here is from Peach Palm. I got it a while back, but I really like it together. And then this is, again, the back, or like the back of the pre-planning sheet. And then this is, again, from Rose Colored Days. And then this, I'm really proud of myself. This is a cello bag from Rose Colored Days, but I just cut it and I laminated it. I love it. And I hole punched it and I layered it, so it's thicker than acetate, so it's kind of just like something fun. And I layered it on this paper from Hello Petite Paper, and then these die cuts are again from Hello Petite Paper's TN kit, so I just thought these looked really cute together. I'm sorry for the glare, but I just love the pink, because the pink from the cello bag matched perfectly to the die cuts. And then I have another sheet from the Hello Petite Paper TN kit. These are the same paper. So like I said, the papers are double-sided. And then I have another vellum from Hobby Lobby, and on top of that I have a vinyl from Calligraphy by Lindsay, and it has my name on it. And then it has a squiggle that Nikki from Ribbon and Nib drew. That was the same collab with that had the bow. And you will see, I think maybe another one from that clip, I'm not sure. I'm drawing a blank. But I love that. And then this vellum is from Ribbon and Nib. This is one of her newer vellums. I just love the feel of it, especially for winter. And now I have my weekly inserts, and these are from Justenia Printables. And next, after these are done, I didn't use them the first week, but I've been using them since I'm not a huge, like, I haven't really been in school, so my lists have been kind of small. And then I have the back of that. And then this clip, this clip right here is from K&Co XOXO. This is the velvet, or the pink bow with the velvet. It's so pretty. And this kit I'm using this week is from Station Stickers. I have a Playing With Me on my channel. And then this clip is from K&Co XOXO. This is just a little flower and a wide clip from K&Co XOXO. I got this idea from Jasenia of the Planner Sophisticate. She took a little clip from, or little charm from another clip of K&Co and put it on just like a wide paper clip because I wanted to add more rose gold, so I just kind of use that as a bookmark just so it's easy to flip my pages. And then on the back I have the vellums again, and then this is a digital print I have from Holly Nichols. She now has digital prints on her Etsy shop, so I have a couple of those and I love them. So this is a sugar and spice one, and I laminated this, and this was in my Christmas setup, so I just brought it in my winter setup. And then this is a paper from Michaels. This is the Paper Pack Sugar Blush, I believe, and it's just like pink striped, so I just have that. And then this is a vellum from Ribbon and Nib. It's just a really sheer light pink, but then I layered a vinyl over it from Clearview by Lindsay and Ribbon and Nib's collab. It says love is patient, love is kind, love never fails, and I put it on pink just because I always have pink in my setups, and I thought that this would be really pretty also to add for my Valentine's Day setup because it talks about love, so I wanted to add it there. So I just put on light pinks. I know I'll get a lot of use out of it. And then an acetate from Rose Colored Days, and I like how putting the vellum over it just kind of makes the acetate look a little different. So this is the clear bow acetate from Rose Colored Days with rose gold foiling. And then my tab, these are my coupon trackers and like my PR codes and stuff, but this again is from Jasenia Printables. And then I have the back of that light pink vellum, which you can kind of see a little better. It's just like a really nice nude. This is the one that came in her birthday box. And then this dashboard is from Ribbon and Nib, and I love it. They got this in the personal wide size, so it automatically, when I got it, it was hole punched. I'm sorry, it was not hole punched, but it was sized to fit the personal wide rings, and then I hole punched it and put it in there. And then I put a Hello Petite paper winter TN kit piece of paper on the back just with some washi tape. And then again, this is a cello bag from Rose Colored Days. It's going to be hard to see, but this was the bigger one, so again I cut it and laminated it. And then this vellum is clear, and this is my name from Jasenia Printables. She did name slots a while back and I got mine, so this is mine, and I just repositioned it so it was on the side. And then I layered it over this vellum from Ribbon and Nib, which I love how all this turned out. This is such a beautiful vellum. It has pink and navy and gray, and I just thought that this looked so beautiful with the rest of my setup, and I wish this was like a dark navy, but it's fine, black will do. I just like the different textures and different things like that. So there's that. And this is the bookmark from Studio Signe. What I did, I just tied it at the top. That's okay. And then I have my list inserts that I like. I use a lot. These are again from Jasenia. And then the vellum, the other, because this vellum came in a set with this one and then this wood grain one, so I have that. And then this is another paper from the Hello Petite Paper TN kit, and then the back has another paper from the Hello Petite Paper TN kit. This was another double-sided one. And then this vellum again is from Ribbon and Nib. I love Ribbon and Nib. I've talked about her shop for months. I'm also PR girl for her, so you can use the code RandAmanda10 to save with no minimum, and you can buy immense amount of planner accessories. They're just stunning. And just a dashboard with this vellum, and I'm definitely gonna pick that up. It's gorgeous. But I love this vellum. This is probably my favorite vellum in my planner. It's just a really pale light pink with some white mittens. I think it's so cute. I think it really matches and makes the winter theme. And then I have my notes inserts. And then I have the back of that pink vellum. And then I have another piece of rose gold acetate from Rose Colored Days. And then another divider. And then I'm really proud of this. I actually just made this. I know this pocket's a little wrinkly, but it's okay. This pocket is from the Target dollar spot, so it's cheap. It was like $3. I like it. So what I did was, again, I used this acetate and I had extras. So what I did was I cut the extras and I layered it and I laminated it and I just tucked that in there just to kind of add something extra. And then I have some hearts from Clever Gal Crafts. This is more of a decorative pocket more rather than functional, but I can always use these because they're pale pink. And then I have a little sticker sheet from Crafts by Towie and then a die cut from Two Little Bees. Next is a vellum that I have from Ribbon and Nib. This again is from Ribbon, or I'm sorry, the planner, Jasenia Printables. It says she was just a dream. She was just a girl with a big dream, and it has just dot grid, which is super cute. And then I have the back of that vellum. And then I have the plastic paper folder flap thing. I don't know. Somebody's gonna correct me. You can tell me. I don't know. And then in the back, it's pretty simple. I have a paper from the Hello Petite Paper Winter TN Kit, which I'll put right there. And then I have a journaling card from Rose Colored Days. I know this is kind of Christmassy, but I like it, so who cares? And then I have a die cut from Hello Petite Papers Winter TN Kit, and I just added that with a little paper clip from K&Co XOXO. That is my planner. I love it. I love the setup and I'm very proud of it. So I'm so happy that I was able to film it for you guys. And that was kind of a longish setup or flip through, but that's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I live Stuck on Paper, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.